What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video here, and we have to talk about Dogecoin today. So this is where we are at with it right now with Dogecoin. We are now at 31 cents. We did jump all the way back here earlier in the morning, and we got really high here with Doge. So yeah, we went all the way up here to 32 cents. And as you can see, every day Doge just kind of jumps huge, and then it'll trade sideways for the rest of the day, and then it'll jump again throughout the rest of the day, and then it'll jump huge the next day. So it looks like we are having a lot of natural growth here with Doge, and a lot of different news articles are actually talking about Doge. So that also helps the Dogecoin price. So every time anyone talks about it, it just encourages someone to buy Doge or to sell it, but mainly buy. And a lot of people are actually ending up buying Doge because of all these articles that are being made. As you can see, not just the Doge army, but those mining Dogecoin have struck gold with the 6,600% rise of a Shiba Inu. So yeah, the Doge miners who mined all of Doge back then are really profiting the most out of Doge right now. So that is crazy news right there. But yeah, we're continuing to go down a little bit right here with Doge. But as you can see, we always start the day out really nice, and then we go down later on, but then it goes right back up during the middle of the day. Doge kind of follows the same path every time. But yeah, right up here, we started the day really high, and then we went down towards the start, and then we continued to drop down until now. We had this huge jump earlier, and then we had a huge drop there. So yeah, Doge is continuing to go on its own path right now. So honestly, it's hard to kind of tell where Doge is going, and that's why I'm still holding it. I'm holding for the long term here because we know it's going up. We just do not know how far and where up it's going to go, but we all know it's going up. Doge is going to continue to rise, and even without tweets, Doge will continue to rise. But yeah, that's just the potential that we have here with Doge. We have so much potential to continue to grow with Doge. But yeah, here is our projection here. So yeah, we are definitely projected to keep going up here with Doge. Even whenever we get our drops, we never really go below this line here, because we didn't even get to the line back here because everyone bought back in because they seen that dip. And the same thing here. So we could dip today here and go lower, maybe back down to like 29 cents or possibly 30 cents. But I don't think we will do that. I'm gonna be holding on the whole time because I'm not sure, just like how we had here, we may just trade sideways until we finally get up here and just stay around 31 cents and then have another jump. So this is what I'm projecting. Like, we just continue to jump sideways, and this is the best method to grow with anything, because I'll just like to call this like the stair step method. Like, it's just like a stair step here. Like, every single time it goes up a longer stair step, goes up a bigger stair set, we go sideways, then we have a bigger stair set sideways. And that's the best kind of growth, rather than just instantly going all the way up to the top, all the way to the moon, because then you're going to instantly have that decrease. But when you're going up like this, as you can see, we're not dipping hard here because we're going up gradually, and it's going up naturally as everyone talks about Dogecoin in the media, and as Dogecoin kind of goes crazy on Twitter and everywhere. This is really how everything happens, and a lot of people are starting to adopt Dogecoin as a payment method. When we finally get Tesla in on Dogecoin as a payment method in Amazon, that will definitely help us rise. So that is definitely what we're looking at here with Dogecoin. And let's look over here with our market cap. I always like to look at the market cap with Dogecoin. We are at 40 billion right now, 40.5 billion with market cap. If I refresh it, it may go down. But yeah, 40.5 there. 24-hour trading volume at $7 billion. This is actually really good growth here for Dogecoin. We are almost at our 50 billion market cap, and we're trying to get up to 71 billion market cap. I believe that will bring us up to about 65 cents once we get to 75 billion market cap. But yeah, we're continuing to rise here with Dogecoin. Look at this, 31 cents here in 14 days of growth. That is a lot of growth right there. 160% for 14 days, 469% for 30 days, and a whole year though, 13,000%. So all those Dogecoin miners back then are now millionaires, hands down. This is like, they're probably the honestly, all the big whales are probably the miners. This could be true, but yeah, we don't know. It could also be Robinhood and other exchanges. that have their own wallets. But we're guessing that it's either them or that it's the miners, because there were a lot of Dogecoin miners back then, and they mined a lot of Dogecoin at really cheap prices. But yeah, that's crazy to think about. But yeah, let's go over here and look at Elon Musk's tweets here. The Doge father yesterday that he tweeted the Saturday Night Live for May 8th, and then the one that he tweeted yesterday, which is a playlist for I guess it's one of his playlists that he likes. This is one of Elon Musk's playlists, I guess, or someone that he knows has this playlist. But something interesting here, if you can look here, I seen this on another YouTuber's channel, so I had to look at it. His name was Final Stand, but look at this. This spells Doge, the first 5 songs, DOGE, number 1. So this is definitely something to look at here. Look at this. It starts right there. We're looking at the artist name here. The artist name starts with D, the next artist is O, the next one is G, the next one is E, and the top is number 1 for the name. So Doge number 1. This is like a subliminal message that Elon Musk put out there, and you can kind of tell it was definitely him that orchestrated this, because this definitely seems like a playlist that he would have. So this is really big for Dogecoin right here. Doge number 1, we see it inside his playlist, and he put a heart right there. So this kind of tells us a lot here, and a lot of people overlooked it, because as you can see, the original Doge father tweet had 389k likes, and this tweet over here only had 45.8k likes, and I didn't even notice it until I actually seen the video, and I went back and I was like, oh, okay, there's actually something there. So yeah, he's like speaking in riddles with us here, and yeah, he's giving us little clues and hints of where Dogecoin is going to go. So Dogecoin is going to be number 1. And if you think about it, if Dogecoin goes number 1 in market cap, only way this will happen is if Dogecoin became the global currency, the global digital currency. So the reason Bitcoin cannot be a global digital currency is because there can only be 21 million Bitcoin in circulation, whereas Dogecoin, we get 5 billion Dogecoin every year, just like the US dollar. It was kind of made on the same basis of the US dollar. So that's what makes Dogecoin so significant. There's 129 billion Dogecoin in circulation, and every year we get 5 billion Dogecoin. So it kind of stays, the inflation kind of stays constant all the time. And if you go over to Bitcoin, people say will deflate actually, because once there's all this Bitcoin that's mined, no more Bitcoin can be mined. Then that's going to look a lot different from Bitcoin. Bitcoin can only get but so big, but Dogecoin can continue to rise in market cap. Like, yes, Dogecoin may not hit 50k. That is definitely true. I don't think we will ever see it 50k Dogecoin, but will we see $1 trillion market cap Dogecoin? That is what we really need to look at here, because with a $1 trillion market cap, that would bring us, actually, let's do the math here. So for $1 Dogecoin would be $129 trillion market cap, or $129 billion market cap would be $1 Dogecoin. So if a $1 Dogecoin is $129 billion market cap, that means in retrospect, $10 Dogecoin is the the $10 Dogecoin will be the $1 trillion market cap. So in order for us to get to $1 trillion market cap, Dogecoin has to be at $10, which is actually possible that we get that much market cap in Dogecoin, because let's say we just have people adopting Dogecoin as like a payment on Amazon. If they do Dogecoin Amazon and they do Dogecoin Tesla, like making you be able to pay through Dogecoin with Amazon and Tesla. Like if they do that with Dogecoin, then we can definitely see a $1 trillion market cap, and it can go up to $10. And if you do the math with anyone with anything in Dogecoin, if it goes up to $10, you are about to profit big time. So right now I am holding 11,000. So if it went all the way up to $10, I'd be at 110k. So that's something to think about here, and that's only 11,000 Doge that I had. I previously had 27,000, but like I said, I took out profits at 32 cents, and then I left in I took out the original investment at 32 cents, and I left in the profits. So I took out 5,000 at 32 cents, and then I left in 3,200 with the profits. And I'm gonna wait for it to fluctuate, do what it does, secure some profits. So as we rise, even if we do go to $1, I'll still have $11,000 off of that $3,500 profit that I made. So that's just something to think with Doge. Always take out your profits. Don't ever just, I mean, you can just write it straight to the moon if you want, because remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But me personally, when I see something go up more than 200%, I will take out some profits there. And I've been in Doge since 6 cents, so I've seen a lot of different profits. So I've actually taken out profits a lot here with Doge. I think so far I might have taken out like $10,000 in profits, and I just keep doing that and then repeating the profits. But if I didn't do that, I would have been all the way up. But one thing to think about, when it went all the way up to 45 cents, I stayed in and wrote it down. So I was good in Doge until I did that point right there. That was the only mistake I've made here in Doge, was writing it down from 45 cents down to like 30 to 25 cents. I should have sold all the way at 45 and bought back in right at 16 cents. But that is a big mistake I did make. I would have had 69,000 Doge right now. So that's just where I'm at with it right now. And I'm gonna try to do more day trades and swing trades as we go here, because I am like calculating Doge, like seeing where it'll go. Honestly, we're just gonna follow this little line here, and we're just gonna continue to rise here with Doge. And I actually hope that we continue to rise slowly here and not just a huge jump, because if we actually do continue to rise slowly, which we are, remember how we did right before Doge Day 420? We started to rise up slowly. Then it started to get way near. It started to get like 5 days near Doge Day 420. So it was like a whole week. So then we had a whole week of just straight progression. This is the same thing that's happening. We're starting slowly, and then the week prior to the Saturday Night Live with Elon Musk, we're going to have huge growth. That week prior, that 5 days prior to it, we are going to grow huge. But right now, it's going to go slowly right until it hits that mark. And let's go at a bigger chart so we can actually see what kind of growth we can really have here. So right when it hits that mark, right around May 8th, we are just going to go up big time there. Like we could see 65 cents, honestly. We could see 50 cents, anything. And actually, if he mentions Tesla accepting Doge, we will see $1 hands down. But we don't know if he'll actually mention that, because no one is sure with that. But he is going to mention Doge in some kind of capacity. But yeah, if he mentions that, we will go to $1. And if Jeff Bezos mentions that we are going to have Doge on Amazon, we are going to go to $1. And then after a year of that going, after a year of items being purchased on Amazon with Doge, after a year of Teslas being purchased with Doge, we will be at $10. So $10 Doge in 1 year is actually realistic when you look at it from a realistic point of view. So yeah, $10 Doge in 1 year. I'm gonna set it right now. I didn't want to do it before. I was gonna try to do the slow growth thing, but I actually see everything like unfolding with Doge right now. In $10 Doge inside of 1 full year, not by the end of this year, but by the end of next year is what I'm saying. But yeah, by the end of this year, we will see $1 Doge, and by the end of next year, we will see $10 Doge. So that is my official price prediction with Doge. And it's just based off if we get accepted by those two catalysts. We'll have Elon Musk with Tesla, and we'll have Jeff Bezos with Amazon. We'll have two major markets just accepting Doge. And imagine if Walmart started accepting Bitcoin, they would start accepting Doge as well. So this is something to think about. I don't know if Walmart already accepts Bitcoin. Let's actually check. Does Walmart accept Bitcoin instead of having to deal with complex currencies conversions with global suppliers? Walmart will accept Bitcoin, which will negate the headache of dealing with dozens of fiat currencies. And actually, if Walmart does start accepting Bitcoin, you gotta think about this. Bitcoin is not meant to be used as a currency. It's meant to be used as a store of value. There's only 21 million inside circulation, or that could be in circulation. Only 18 million are circulating now. So once that 21 million is completely filled, Bitcoin will no longer even want to be thought of as a currency, what would be the second into the line? Ethereum and Dogecoin. So that is exactly where we're going with it. If Dogecoin is continued to be accepted worldwide, it will be accepted by Walmart. If it is accepted by Walmart, we will see $1 trillion market cap Doge. And if we see $1 trillion market cap Doge, who's to say we don't see $10 trillion market cap Doge? $10 trillion market cap Doge would bring us to $100 Doge. So this is really big news here with Doge. A lot of things can happen with Doge easily. And I want to actually look at USD market cap. So the USD market cap here is $11.2 trillion. So a 10 trillion market cap Doge, we would have to actually print out more US dollars, which we are actually continuing to do at a really large pace. So $10 Doge is not far-fetched, because if 1 trillion of these dollars can just be inside of Doge, that would be crazy. And remember, crypto is worldwide, crypto is global, crypto is not just the United States. This is just the United States dollars market cap. This is not, crypto market cap or anything like that. This is just the USD market cap. So when we're on CoinGecko and we actually see all these market caps, some of this money is, invested from China. Some of this money is invested from Turkey. This is all, what just happened in Turkey. So yeah, no pun intended there. But this is just what's happening like all over the world. And yeah, all of this money is invested worldwide. So even if the US dollar market cap stayed here because they didn't want to print any more for a little while, which is not going to happen, they're going to continue to print more money. But let's just hypothetically say they didn't want to, we would still continue to rise in market cap in crypto because, China is growing huge with crypto. China is actually trying to pass America with crypto. And if America doesn't get on its toes and stop trying to regulate crypto and just jump in with us and invest in crypto with us, then we could go down as a economy. But if they actually jump in with us and not try to regulate things, we can continue to rise here with crypto. That's exactly what we need here, because crypto is the people's currency. It's decentralized. But yeah, it is the next thing. But yeah, but remember, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. And if you like the video, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe, and check out the link in the description for free stock with Robinhood, Webull, and Public. You can also get Dogecoin on on Webull and Robinhood, not on Public though. But yeah, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.